Oh, Jesus. Gobi, where are you? Do you know where you are? The walker. Ficon.
Okay, we are in Nigeria now.
Yeah, we walk out. Oh, you're not talking like Dubai. I don't know if this is going to test like our own. Please want to mother me with food. Hey. Make I wait for the one I Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to another interesting Turkey vlog. Okay, so today we are outdoor, and guess where we are going to? We are going to the popular known place in Istanbul, Turkey, which is called Taksim Square. And I decided to carry my family here on YouTube along because this is going to be an interesting vlog, a fun one, like the kind of content I'm packaging for us here. You're gonna enjoy it. You will love it here, please. So consider subscribing to the channel. Make sure you turn on your bell notification so you won't miss any of our interesting video or vlog or content. Trust me, you will love it. Please ignore the noise in the background because I'm making this voiceover and my son is shouting. I don't know. he's having fun with his phone. Okay, so ignore it. So guys, we're already on our way. I'm going to meet my sister at Unique Grace TV. Or you guys know her already. We are all in this together. Okay, so they live closer to the square, and they live close, and you have to go on time to meet her at home. So we all will go together because she has been there before and I haven't. So she's the one taking us there. We are going together and we are going to be exploring, toying everywhere together. So right now we are at the house and we are just chilling because we got there so early. You guys can see how the bus was empty because we left the house around 7. I think we left the house around 6-7. Okay, so enjoy the rest of this vlog. Hey Jesus, we are already eating. Halfway to tell them same vlog. Even went on. Then you Grace in my dream, Jesus. As I saw the mountain of this food, it's that to come. It's that to come. Don't they team? Oh, me giving him lacha. Mo have you made?
Why did you eat monthly?
Oh my God, Grace want to murder me with food. Hey, Chimo. Make a race for the one where I don't chop already. I make a race though. Hey.
I like it.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hey, we eat though. Here we are at Taksim. Oh Jesus!
Don't run on that.
Do you remember? So we are at Taksim Square. I don't know if you guys can hear me loudly, but I'm going to be audible. Eh? Mama is sleeping now. She's a baby. You are not a big boy. You don't need to sleep. I wasn't boy, but I got the same back me.
Hey guys, welcome back. Okay, so
You guys should see the Grace. She's making her own video, eh?
That's it for you.
Okay, so I'm here with Oma, my sister. See, if you hear me say sister, okay, just my sister.
You should ignore my stupid laugh.
Okay, so we are here to show you around. Okay, I'm going to show you around. And when I get home, I'm going to do a proper voiceover for you guys. Okay, but in the meantime, enjoy and have fun. No, this is a fun few day. Okay, yeah. Subscribe. Okay.
So you guys, I told you guys about Turkish bread, and I told you guys you cannot come across go anywhere without seeing them hawking it or at the side of the road selling bread. Yeah. Oluchinekwaka. See corn.
Guys, so, okay, we are in Nigeria now.
Yeah, we call ahụ. Onye na-atọkwa ka nke anyị. I don't know if this is going to taste like our own, but let's be going first.
So, this is Taksim Square.
Yes, so this is popular Taksim Square in Turkey.
If you want to come to Turkey,
It's like I will do voiceover, Sha.
yeah,
So guys, pardon me, I decided to use voiceover so you guys will hear and what I'm going to explain. So right now we are already at the Taksim Square. You can see people, families, foreigners, especially foreigners, tourists heading there. Yeah, so that's where we are now. I just decided to update you guys. Yeah, so I'm going to split this video into 5 parts. Okay, this is Turkish vlog series. It's going to be into 5 or 6 parts. So this is the vlog, and whatever that we see there or explore there is going to come in series for you guys. So stay glued, subscribe if you have not, turn on your bell notification so you won't miss any of this interesting series. Okay, so let's continue exploring and touring Istanbul city. Okay, enjoy the rest of it. Nah, we quick again split video. Say, Mama, like all the air, the kind of air I be about this special.
oh, we hear you, this ice cream. You the water.
Yes.
I want to run at that side.
It's okay, also.
Hey, give me ice cream. You think of it?
How try you get Yes. Naga can video in front. You people should be going. Let me film you guys front. Go and hold Oma's story. Story I mean, story. Hey, Chineke na. Oh, you be going. As from Kongata, I can film one of them. Yeah, you guys should say hi.
Hi.
Ngalagan. So this is the popular Taksim Square in Turkey, like live and direct. We are here. The brightness is just bomb. Jesus. Are you? Gobi, where are you? Do you know where you are? Say hi to the camera. Say hi to the camera. Hey God. The kind of breeze that be by special, I'm telling you. What is special? On a long master. On a long master of Funubi. I don't even, what's the name of this mosque? KBA is Rebenu. I'm old Rebenu.
I don't know. All those things, let's go up.
Guys, if you don't know about this Taksim Square, just check Google about it. Okay, Google about it. You see it. This is a very popular place in Istanbul, in Turkey. Okay, like if you're a foreigner and you're a tourist, trust me, you must surely come here for a very good sightseeing, good adventures and all of that. Yeah, I can never say picture. No, ever say.
You know how much good price? I am not dangerous.
No, I
Where
don't
Where
want.
come from? Sorry.
I don't want.
Where from?
I don't want.
I bought it. I get one free.
No, thank you. Thank you, thank you.
I want to buy this. Hello.
Oh yeah, give me yeah.
If you don't then you have flower. Then
Okay. Ngwa.
Come. Ah, no, come with that.
Catch it.
Come and give them. Throw it for them. Throw it for them. They are not coming. Oh my God.
This is lovely. Igbadokwa ni ya nwa. You screenshot here as thumbnail.
So guys, we are having fun. You gotta go. This
Yes,
is a
so-
compute vlog. You gotta go. Yeah. So I'm going to be doing voiceover for you guys about this Taksim, okay, and other churches I'm going to show you guys, okay. So that is basically that. In the meantime, have fun with us